To understand the structural components and their functions of a laminar airflow cabinet. Apparatus/materials required. Laminar airflow cabinet, spirit lamp/UV light, for sterilization, petri plates, culture media, pipettes. Theory. A laminar airflow cabinet, LAF, is a sterile workspace designed to provide a clean air environment free from dust and microorganisms. It works by passing air through HEPA, high-efficiency particulate air, filters to remove contaminants. Laminar airflow ensures that air moves uniformly, in one direction, across the work area, thus preventing contamination of biological samples during sensitive laboratory procedures such as tissue culture, microbial culture transfer, and media preparation. Structural components and their functions. Part. Function. Work surface/workbench. The clean area where materials and instruments are placed for sterile work. Blower/fan. Draws air into the cabinet and forces it through the filters to maintain continuous airflow. Pre-filter. Removes large dust particles before air reaches the HEPA filter. HEPA filter, high-efficiency particulate air filter. Traps 99.97% of airborne particles, greater than or equal to 0.3 microns, providing sterile air in the workspace. UV germicidal lamp. Sterilizes the working area before and after use by killing microorganisms. Fluorescent light. Provides illumination for clear visibility inside the cabinet during work. Sash/front screen/glass shield. Transparent sliding door that protects the user and maintains airflow pattern. Airflow direction. Can be horizontal, back to front, or vertical, top to bottom, ensuring uniform air movement. Control panel/switches. Used to operate the fan, UV light, and fluorescent lamp. Base stand. Supports the cabinet at a convenient working height. Working principle. The LAF cabinet works on the principle of laminar flow of filtered air. Air is first passed through a pre-filter, then through a HEPA filter, which removes airborne contaminants. This clean, sterile air flows uniformly over the work area, preventing entry of microorganisms and dust, thereby maintaining aseptic conditions. Procedure. Switch on the UV lamp for 15 to 20 minutes to sterilize the workspace. Turn off the UV and switch on the blower/fan and fluorescent light. Wipe the work surface with 70% alcohol before use. Perform aseptic operations such as culture transfer within the cabinet. After work, clean the area and close the sash. Observation. Uniform airflow is maintained within the cabinet. The work area remains free from contamination. Conclusion. The laminar airflow cabinet provides a controlled, sterile, and dust-free environment essential for microbiological and biotechnological experiments. Its structural components ensure efficient air filtration, uniform airflow, and user safety.